Appreciate your gracious presence here at the very first Isra University Sports League, which was an idea from none other than our Vice Chancellor, Dr. Ahmed Waliullah Qazi. This event is dedicated to the successful operation that was held a few days back, and it was a great success of the Armed Forces of Pakistan, the Marka-e-Haq Bunyanul Mahsoos. To start off the event, I would like to request Hafiz Tariq Sheikh Sahab to please come on the stage and recite few verses from the glorious Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ولا يحسبن الذين كفروا سبقوا إنهم لا يعجزون وأعدوا لهم ما استطعتم من قوة ومن رباط الخيل ترهبون به عدو الله وعدوكم وآخرين من دونهم لا تعلمونهم الله يعلمهم وما تنفقوا من خير يوفى إليكم وأنتم لا تظلمون صدق الله العظيم.
Jazakallah khair. Now I would like to request you all to please rise in the honor of National Anthem of Pakistan. Honor and privilege to invite the chief guest, Major General Shahid Abro, GOC SFS Pitaro Garrison, along with Professor Dr. Hamidullah Qazi, the President and the CEO of Isra Islamic Foundation, and Dr. Ahmed Waliullah Qazi, the Vice Chancellor of Isra University, to please come on the stage for the unveiling of this very beautiful trophy, and we will have a ribbon cutting ceremony. Sir, all three please proceed to the stage.
Our honored chief guest, Major General Muhammad Shahid Abro, President and Chief Executive Officer, Professor Dr. Hamidullah Qazi, Deans, Directors, Head of Departments, Faculty and dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First and foremost, I want to congratulate General Saab and the Pakistan Army for the successful operation Bunyan Mahsoos. MashaAllah, it showed that the Pakistan Army can stand against any evil that comes before our beloved country. With that, I would like to talk about today's event, which is the inauguration and opening of the Sports League. Of course, this concept has been on my mind for quite some time. And like Saad Baloch mentioned in his presentation, that academics is not the only thing that is required for your grooming. We believe athletics plays a huge role, a huge impact it can have on your personality if you involve yourself in these activities. एक और चीज मैं समझता हूँ बहुत जरूरी है, वो ये है कि आई फील कि हम जब भी कोई, या जो मैंने ट्रेडिशन में देखा है कि स्पोर्ट्स की एक्टिविटीज होती है वो बहुत रैंडम होती है, एक हो गई फिर पूरा साल नहीं होगी, and they're very sporadic, so you don't get the opportunity to enhance your skills in any particular sports. So वो हम बराए नाम तो इवेंट करवाते हैं, पर उसका कोई ऐसा I don't feel there's an advantage या कोई फायदा होता है. अब I have studied outside in the US, वहाँ पे कॉन्सेप्ट ये है कि यूनिवर्सिटीज के अंदर स्पोर्ट्स की लीग्स भी होती हैं, स्पोर्ट्स टीम्स होती हैं यूनिवर्सिटीज की, एंड दे हैव कोचिंग्स टू द एक्सटेंट के वहाँ के जो फुटबॉल के कोच होते हैं उनकी तनख्वाहें मिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर्स में होती हैं. I mean they are paid far more than the faculty members. तो वो तो है दूसरी साइड है, पर हम भी चाहते हैं कि हम इस किस्म का कॉन्सेप्ट लेके आए कि आपको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी यहाँ पे हो कि अगर आप किसी स्पोर्ट्स में इंटरेस्टेड हो और उसकी यहाँ पे लीग चली तो थ्रू आउट द ईयर you are playing, participating, practicing in that thing, and then hopefully with that practice you have a platform that if you want to try into going to the national side or the provincial side or maybe beyond that, then you have some platform to see, because sometimes people don't even know कि उनके अंदर वो skills हैं भी या नहीं है. So this is an opportunity for you to see yourself, to try in different leagues, different sports. इंशाल्लाह हमारा इसमें प्लान ये है कि हम सिर्फ लीग्स नहीं बनाएंगे, पर उन लीग्स के अंदर इंशाल्लाह हम कोचेस भी रखेंगे. So there will be coaches, there will be practice sessions so that you can improve upon your skills, you can be better in that sport that you're interested in. So I hope we're going to start inshallah जैसे ये fall semester start होगा तो we'll start this inshallah sports league and inshallah I am quite hopeful इससे आप सबको बहुत फायदा होगा और एक किस्म की healthy activities start होंगी on a routine regular basis. और इंशाल्लाह हम main campus हैदराबाद है, though the vice chancellor represents all three campuses, पर इंशाल्लाह जब हमारा मुकाबला होगा कराची और इस्लामाबाद से तो I will support हैदराबाद campus कि हमारी टीम जो है we actually win the campus cup from them. With that, thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Thank you very much, the Vice Chancellor, for sharing your views and enlightening on the vision that you had kept, considering this league was discussed 6-7 months back, and in fact we were pursuing the General Saab for the past 1 year or so to please come over here and launch this league. So basically we had delayed just for his visit as well. So, alright, next up, if I can request the worthy President and Chief Executive Officer of ISRA Islamic Foundation, Professor Dr. Hamidullah Qazi Sahab, who is a great chess player by the way, and we will have few moves with the General, to please come over here and give the concluding speech.
Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulullah. Respected Chief Guest of the occasion, Major General Shahid Abdul Sahab, Vice Chancellor, ISRA University, Dr. Ahmed Waliullah Qazi, Deans, Directors, Faculty Members, Students, Staff, and guests, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. जिसका मैं अच्छा खिलाड़ी नहीं मुझे खुद भी नहीं मालूम था. जरा खुशकिस्मती की बात यह है कि साथ में बताया था कि सिर्फ आपने 30-40 सेकंड खेलना है, उसके बाद गेम कंप्लीट नहीं करनी. So alhamdulillah, it is a pleasure for us to have Major General Shahid Abdul Sahab with us. मुझे जान के बड़ी खुशी हुई कि he hails from our home city of Hyderabad और कल मैंने इनका प्रोफाइल पढ़ा तो मुझे जान के और भी खुशी हुई कि इनका ताल्लुक पब्लिक स्कूल हैदराबाद से रहा है, which is also my alma mater. और माशाल्लाह जो हमें पता चला है कि he is माशाल्लाह an excellent sportsman himself. और बल्कि अभी थोड़ी देर पहले जनरल साहब बता रहे थे कि when he was in class 9, so he competed at the national level and he has won at the national level. So mashallah, this is a very opportune time to come for the opening ceremony of the ISRA Sports League. उसके साथ साथ ये जान के भी बड़ी खुशी हुई है when I look at this backdrop. This is dedicated to the armed forces of Pakistan for the successful Marka-e-Haq Operation Bunyan Marsus. और शायद आपके इल्म में होगा कि जो अल्फाज जो बुनियाद मखसूस हैं वो कुरान शरीफ की सूरत अस-सफ़ से अल्फाज लिए गए हैं। अल्लाह ताला फरमाते हैं कि इन्नल्लाहा युहिब्बुल लज़ीना युक़ातिलूना फ़ी सबीलिही सफ़्फ़न कअन्नहुम बुनियानुम मरसूस। देखिए अल्लाह ताला मोहब्बत करता है इन्नल्लाहा युहिब्बुल लज़ीना युक़ातिलूना, जो अल्लाह के राह में क़िताल करते हैं यानी कि जिहाद फ़ी सबीलिल्लाह, और सफ़ बसफ़ यूं खड़े होते हैं जैसे सीसा पिलाई दीवार हो, बुनियानुम मरसूस। तो एक तो फर्ज आयद होता है हमारी आर्म फोर्सेस पे, और उसके साथ साथ एक बहुत अहम फरीज़ा सिविलियंस पे, जो हम तालीमदान हैं, स्टूडेंट्स हैं, फैकल्टी हैं, या जो कोई भी जिस किसी भी शोबे से ताल्लुक है, हमारे ऊपर भी एक बहुत अहम फरीज़ा आयद होता है। तो जिस तरह एक महाज जो है वो सरहद पे होता है, तो कई महाज अंदरूनी मुल्क भी होते हैं, और हमें इस पे ये सोचना है कि जो अल्लाह ताला जो फरमाते हैं बुनियान मरसूस, तो सीसा पिलाई दीवार, अगर आप सोचें कि सफ बसफ खड़े हो लोग, और अगर इंसान सफ में खड़ा है वो ये सोचे कि मेरा फायदा और नुकसान इसमें है कि नहीं है, मेरा आगे क्या होगा, तो फिर वो सफ जो है वो सीसा पिलाई दीवार नहीं हो सकती। तो इसलिए हम ऐसे हर किसी को ये सोचना है कि अपने मुल्क के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ के लिए हमें किस अंदाज से सोचना है, और हमें किस तरह आपस में यकजहती से जो है वो काम करना है। और हम बचपन में एक कहानी सुना करते थे, आई एम श्योर आप सबने सुनी होगी, कि एक वालिद जो होते हैं अपने बच्चों को कहते हैं कि छोटी छोटी टहनियाँ जो हैं लकड़ी की वो ले आएं और उनको तोड़ने की कोशिश करें, तो हर कोई तोड़ने में कामयाब हो जाता है। फिर वो वालिद को कहते हैं कि इन टहनियों को मिलाएं और एक गुच्छा बना लें, अब इसको तोड़ने की कोशिश करें, तो वो तोड़ने में नाकाम रहते हैं। तो बज़ाहिर किस्सा तो बड़ा एक सिंपल सा है, बचपन से हम सुनते आ रहे हैं, लेकिन इसके पीछे जो मैसेज है वो बहुत डीप है। और मैं समझता हूँ कि हमारी जो नई पौध है, हमारे जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, हमारे जो नौजवान हैं, उनको ये बात समझ लेनी चाहिए और इस पर बहुत गौर करना चाहिए, क्योंकि इंसान की अगर बका है, उसका इस्तेकाम है, तो फिर बाद में तरक्की भी हो सकती है। लेकिन अगर बका और इस्तेकाम नहीं होगा तो फिर तरक्की भी मुहाल नजर आएगी। So I would on this occasion also appreciate the organizing effort that has gone behind today's event, और माशाल्लाह डॉक्टर साहब बलोच, I would like to appreciate his efforts, और उनकी जो पूरी टीम है, और माशाल्लाह he is a very good sportsman himself, और जैसा कि उन्होंने बताया हमारे वाइस चांसलर भी किसी से कम नहीं है, माशाल्लाह he is an excellent sportsman. So with that, अल्लाह ताला आप सबको खुश और आबाद रखे। Thank you very much. अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू।
Before inviting the worthy chief guest, let me go through his a brief profile, and I will repeat brief profile because sir की list बहुत बड़ी है। So Major General Shahid Abro was commissioned on 1994 April month in 107 Field Regiment Artillery. General is a graduate of Command and Staff College, Quetta and NDU Islamabad. During his illustrious military career, he remained employed at various command and staff appointments. Apart from command of his parent unit 107 Field Regiment Artillery at Siachen, he also commanded 98 SMG at Malir and remained DIG FCKP South at Wana. The general officer belongs to Hyderabad city. He had his complete SSC education from Noor Mohammad High School from class 6 to class 10, 1985 to 89, and HSC education from Public School Latifabad, Hyderabad from 1991. He has been an active member of Hyderabad Gymkhana, where he used to thrash us in squash sport. I still recall those memories, and he has been very much actively participating and representing Hyderabad district at the provincial level games as well as national level before joining the army. General officer remained Hyderabad district and division champion in squash and badminton from year 1989 to 1992 before his selection in army from Selection and Recruitment Center Hyderabad. I would also like to highlight that now Captain Ashad Abro is carrying the legacy of family as a young blood. And he's also here with us, the son of the general, who is also a great sportsman and a squash player as well. So here I want to also highlight that the general officer has represented Pakistan and Pakistan Army in sports at the national and international level many times and won 28 gold medals and 21 silver medals. In recognition of his extraordinary performance, the general officer was also awarded with the Chief of Army Staff Commendation Card. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for one and only Major General Shahid Abdul Sahib. Sir, please come over and address us all.
The CEO ISRA Islamic Foundation, Professor Dr. Ahmed Waliullah Taluja, and Mr. Saad Baloch. मैं इसका nickname नहीं दे सकता because he is a very respected faculty member of yours. It's very difficult to announce his name, Saad Baloch. And additional director of student activities and sports, team faculty, distinguished guests, and most importantly, my dear students, Assalamu alaikum and a very happy good morning. It's always good to be among young people because you feel younger yourself. I was telling your Vice Chancellor, whenever you visit your school and your college or university, you feel like that you are in the same era. It takes me back to 1990-91, once I was myself in a school. It's an absolute privilege to stand before the vibrant gathering as the chief guest on the opening of Sports Day at ISRA University, a remarkable institution that has consistently upheld the banner of academic excellence and health education in the region. As a senior officer of the Pakistan Army and someone who has represented our beloved country both nationally and internationally as a professional squash player, I can tell you there is no greater joy than serving your nation. Awas, thank you. In the area of both defense and discipline. It has always been a matter of immense pleasure to visit the educational institution like ISRA University where talent is nurtured and future of country is shaped. Let me begin by appreciating ISRA University for its unwavering commitment to medical and health education over the years. The university has grown into a beacon of hope and opportunity not only for Sindh but for all over the Pakistan. As you told me that you have the campus in Islamabad and as well as in Karachi. Through its modern infrastructure, research-driven programs and nurturing academic environment, ISRA University is shaping the future of healthcare in our nation. The alumni are serving in top-tier institutions across the globe, contributing to the health and well-being of humanity. I would like to highlight the some of the brilliant graduates produced by this university are representing Pakistan at international level, especially in medical sciences like Ms. Hina Baloch. She is policy analyst in Canada, Dr. Bisma Maiman in the International Medical Medicines and Children's Hospital at USA, Dr. Saman Khaliq in Internal Medicines at University of Boston, USA, and Dr. Ravina Devi at Healthcare System in New York. Very unfortunate, they have all given me the names of females. No boy name was given to me. It doesn't speak that you people are not doing great. You people are also doing great. The university's role in producing competent, compassionate, and committed medical professionals is truly commendable. Sports, especially at the university level, play a critical role in building character. As highlighted by Qazi Saab that I also represented, although I never joined any university, but I participated from the Sindh University once I was in class matter. As someone who has proudly worn Pakistan's colors on the squash court, I know firsthand the power of discipline, resilience, teamwork, and perseverance. In my journey from early inter-school competitions to representing Pakistan internationally, sports not only shaped my physical strength but also molded my mental honesty. These are the very same qualities that helped me rise through the ranks in the Pakistan Army. I urge all of you to take sports seriously, not just for medals or causes, but for what it instills in you as individuals and future professionals. I also take this moment to highlight the success of Operation Bunyamin Makhsus, a shining example of strategic excellence and nationalism. I would say here that it would have not been possible अगर आप लोग हमारे साथ नहीं खड़े होते। जब कोई कौम जीतती है या हारती है, वो अलग कौन हारती है। हम लोग कुछ भी नहीं है आप लोगों के बगैर। जैसे मेरे इंट्रोडक्शन में इन्होंने आपको बताया कि before wearing this uniform, I hails from where? I hails from Hyderabad. मैं आवहिता ही पढ़े हुए हैं, दोनों दाई स्कूल में, हिंदी पब्लिक कॉलेज में पढ़े हुए हैं, हिंदी जिमखाना में खेले हुए हैं, हिंदी सिलेक्शन सेंटर में सेलेक्ट हुए हैं। So I am you and you are me. So we all are one as Pakistan. The operation reflects the unparalleled coordination between our armed forces and the civil population as testament to the unity, courage, and willpower of Pakistan. This mutual trust and understanding between soldiers and civilians is the true strength of our nation. In challenging times, it is this bond that helps us overcome adversity and rise with dignity. Now, a few words about the sports. Whether you are aspiring doctors, surgeons, researchers, or healthcare leaders, never underestimate the importance of holistic growth. Excel in your academics, but also take care of your mind and body. The sports are not just about winning. They are about discipline, humility in victory, grace in defeat, and lifelong friendships. You are the future of Pakistan's healthcare system, and your ability to think critically, act ethically, and live healthily will shape the lives of countless people. I will close my remarks. I want to express my heartfelt appreciation to the complete organization who has conceived this league concept. जैसे मैंने आपको कहा, हार जीत is not the sports. It's how you behave while representing yourself matters the most. I look forward to witnessing your energy and spirit and talent in the events that will follow. May this sports day not only bring medals and victories, but memories, lessons, and inspirations. Thank you once again. Pakistan, Hamisha Zindabad.